Hello guys, so today I'll be explaining how to set up MongoDB and about MongoDB in general, how to use and set up properly for a React Stack application. So let's get started. So let's go to MongoDB Documentation. So usually there's like two ways to interact with MongoDB. One is MongoDB local, and one is MongoDB cloud. So if we are using cloud, we can set up a MongoDB cluster using our Google MongoDB trial account. Like we get to use some free resources here, and the main part is like we can share this database across the whole team. So if we are working on a project together as a team, this is the best method to go with. Unlike if you are working on a like a hobby project or a self project like alone, you can just set up MongoDB in your terminal like this. So I will explain how to download and install MongoDB. So yeah, this is the documentation. I will share the link in the documentation page below. So basically here you have to install brew in the Mac. If you are trying to install the Mac, I will only share the Mac because I'm using the Mac only now. So after installing the brew, you just need to go to brew install to set up the MongoDB, and like to run the MongoDB command in the terminal, you, as I just did right now, you have to use mongosh. So that's how we use mongosh to like interface with the database through the terminal. So this is the brew. There is like two different way also. Like in the brew, we can use brew install, and yeah, brew services start our MongoDB server. So when you use the mongosh, it will connect to that server. So there's also the best possible way to interact with your MongoDB is not through mongosh, it's with MongoDB Compass. So I will also explain how to install that. So just go to MongoDB Compass download. I will share the link in the comment description. So here you need to select the Mac OS, and I think M1. You have to choose an M1, not 64-bit. If you are using an M1 Mac or M2 Mac PCs, so the zip is the only package available. Just click install and just double click on the downloadable executable file. So just and proceed to install the MongoDB Compass. And after installation, your MongoDB Compass would look like this. So this is the starting page. You need to give the URL or URI of the your MongoDB like your MongoDB path, like where it is running. So if you right now, just if you use brew to set up and start your MongoDB server in your local machine, so your port, your default port, I think it's 27017, and it will be obviously localhost. So just use this command and connect. So you can see all the databases here. The collections inside the database also. So that's how this would look like. And if you are using a MongoDB cloud version, your cloud URL would look like this: MongoDB server. Like there will be a root :password at the rate this URL, the public URL of the cluster, of the online cluster. So this is the cloud URL of my version of the MongoDB cluster. So just put this URL, click connect. That's how you connect. So and if you set up this URL, like you just need to click connect. There will be a guide in the website itself where you can connect with your MongoDB Compass. So that's how we connect your MongoDB Compass. So this is my previous project where I can see the data here, the documents and the collection of inside the database, each collection inside the database. So this is how we interact with the MongoDB Compass. You can just you can edit, you can add a value, you can search a value very conveniently using this MongoDB Compass. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or doubts, and thank you so much. See you next time.